In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a status column in Smartsheet. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. A status column is perfect for quickly showing where tasks stand, using familiar symbols and colors to keep your project easy to scan and understand at a glance. Start by opening your project sheet. Look toward the far right side of your existing columns. If your sheet has a lot of columns, you may need to scroll horizontally to reach the end. There, you'll see a plus button to add a new column. Go ahead and click that plus column button to open the column setup options. From the column options that appear, choose the status preset. You'll find it under the Planning and Status category. This preset is designed specifically for tracking progress and makes it easy to visually signal whether something is not started, in progress, or complete, among other states. Choosing the status option ensures you're getting a purpose-built column with the right symbols and formatting out of the box. Next, give your column a clear descriptive name. For example, you might call it Status, Task Status, or Project Status, whatever makes the most sense for your team. Simple, consistent naming helps everyone immediately recognize what the column is for and reduces confusion when you share the sheet. You can also adjust the column type and the symbol style before you finalize it. The status preset typically uses symbols, so you'll see options for different visual sets. Pick the style that best matches how your team communicates. Some people prefer classic red, yellow, and green indicators, while others like check marks, progress-style circles, or other visual cues. Think about readability and accessibility as you choose. High-contrast symbols can make it easier for everyone to quickly interpret the status. When your selections look good, click Apply to create the column. Your new status column will appear on the far right of your sheet. From there, you can begin using the symbols to mark where each task stands. If you don't see the changes right away, double-check that you clicked Apply. That's what confirms and saves your choices. And that's it. You've added a status column by opening your sheet, using the plus button on the far right, selecting the status option under Planning and Status, naming your column, fine-tuning the column type and symbol style, and clicking Apply. With that quick setup, your project becomes more visual, more consistent, and easier for your team to understand at a glance.